Have you ever learned a skill, but struggled to use it when it actually mattered? You attend sessions, take notes, understand the concepts, and then freeze during presentations, meetings, or difficult conversations. That's because skills don't stick without practice. This is exactly why we created Nectere Podium. Nectere Podium is a safe, structured practice space where you repeatedly apply what you learn through speaking challenges, leadership simulations, and real workplace scenarios. You don't just get feedback, you get clear, actionable insights on your communication, confidence, and presence from experienced coaches. And you don't practice once. You practice until it feels natural, until confidence becomes instinct. If you're tired of knowing what to do but not being able to do it when it counts, Nectere Podium is designed for you. To know how Nectere Podium fits into your learning journey, connect with SkillNectere today. Because real growth doesn't happen in theory, it happens in practice.